Ever wondered if light itself could think, feel, or even have a sort of consciousness? I mean, the idea sounds straight out of a sci-fi novel, right? How do photons think? Can light make decisions? What does this mean for physics? Are we on the verge of redefining consciousness? So let's dive into this head first. We've always understood light as this inanimate thing, crucial for life, but pretty straightforward. It travels from point A to point B, brightens our day, helps us see, and that's about it. But then scientists started scratching their heads and pondering, what if there's more to light than meets the eye? And by meets the eye, I mean in a way that could totally flip our understanding of consciousness on its head. So researchers began looking into photons, these teeny tiny particles of light, with a whole new level of curiosity. They're like, hold up, could these little guys be sentient? Imagine that. Light particles buzzing around with their own little thoughts and feelings. But then, this leads us down a rabbit hole of questions and possibilities. If photons can think, does that mean they make decisions? Can they communicate? Are we surrounded by a luminous intelligence we've never even considered? And here's where it gets wild. Experiments in quantum physics have shown that photons can behave in ways that suggest they're aware of their surroundings. They can change their paths, interact with each other, and even seem to make choices based on what's happening around them. But listen, before you start trying to chat up your desk lamp, let's be real. We're not saying photons are penning love letters or pondering the meaning of life. It's more about rethinking what consciousness could be on a fundamental level. And by rethinking, I mean it's like discovering the alphabet of a language that could explain the universe in a way we've never imagined. Now you might be thinking, okay, if light can be sentient, what's next? Talking electrons? And honestly, you're not too far off. The deeper we dive into quantum mechanics, the more the lines between living and non-living, sentient and insentient begin to blur. So maybe in our next adventure, we'll explore quantum consciousness, the mind-bending reality, where we'll unravel how the very building blocks of our universe might hold the keys to understanding consciousness itself. Feels kind of like peering into the matrix of reality and finding out it's been whispering secrets all along. And by whispering secrets, I mean potentially redefining everything we thought we knew about existence.